Alright, we got a leaker here. Hard to see exactly where it's leaking, but there is a stress crack right on this bend. System was flat when I got here. You know, I got that fluorescent gas leak detector, micro leak detector. My ears heard this one. Oh, talk about getting into your job. Oh, have mercy on me. So she's a leaker. She's a Laker. Let that out and get some torches and some 410. Let's see, we got 410, 160 ounces. Ruud unit. Show Ruud to be leaking, hopefully. Hopefully that's the only leak. There's a filter dryer right there. Looks like that's the only filter dryer. Easy money Monday, baby.